It's Dali from Dali Art here, and I am going to be showing the beautiful Summer Bloom ShokART A5 quad album. Now this is something that Pip and I have worked on. We created the papers and now we've created the album, and we really want to share this with you, and we hope that you will join us for the workshops, which is on August the 13th at 6 p.m. UK and 10 a.m. Canada time. So let's get started. So this is a basic album. It will give you the foundation or the structure that you need to create an album from scratch. So you've got the front page and you've got the sentiments. This is all from the papers, from the Summer Bloom papers, and I will show you that after I've shown you the album. So you've got one opening here, and you've got these really lovely flaps. And you've got another one here. So absolutely gorgeous. I'll turn that over and show you some more here. So you've got this bit here. So you could put your, let me move it across, you could put your photos in there. You've got a magnet there. And you've got the top bit here as well, and they've covered the magnet there. And then you've got one here. Okay, and this is the back page. Right, so now I'm going to open it out just so that you can see it in its glory. Let me see if we can see it all on the camera. Look at that. So that's one side of it. So this is what you will be creating. So that's one side. So you've got the magnet bits here. Got the mats and layers, so if you want to put photographs, if you want to make this into a pocket, you can, but I will teach you how to put the structure together in the workshop, and then you can apply any of your papers to make a album like this. Now let me turn this over and show you the other side, because it doesn't just stop there. So this is the other side. So as you saw, that was the front cover there. So this side, again, we've got another magnet. Got your double spread there for your photos, and you've got the magnet covered there. Okay, you've got a pocket here. Then you've got this really nice envelope flap. So you can push this paper up, so you've got a lot of space there. You've got this beautiful quad page here. So you could mat and layer this, you could not use the actual printed paper or just use little bands, but we'll be going through all of that in the workshops. Then you've got this element, so it all opens out. So look at that. So you could be folding this down to here, you could be opening it out. You've got this really nice waterfall card. So you've got quite a lot going on there. So if you're new to album making, this is a really good starter. So you could put this however you wanted. So if you wanted to put this the other way, you could put it the other way. It really is up to you. It's just an idea. You've got a pocket here, so you've got that. And then it all closes up to give you this beautiful, just close it up. Oh, got it the wrong way around, that's all it is. There we go. Closes up to give you this beautiful album. And this is just using the Summer Bloom papers. So this is the A5 Summer Bloom quad album by the ShokART sisters. So it's been created by myself using our papers. I hope you really like it. And like I said, if you need to sign up for this, then you need to go to either Dali Art Market and Friends, I should say Dali Art Market. .co.uk. We'll put all the links into below, and you also can go to pipartcreations.com. So what do you get in the kit? Now you can either just watch the workshop and just follow with me, or you can buy the kit. So in the kit you will get your 8x8 album. So this is the album that you will be working with. Album pad for your album. You will get 8 sheets of the double-sided marbled watercolour papers to do your backing. So you've got quite a lot there, different colours, different designs. So, and then you'll get your 6 sheets of black cardstock as well, or 5 sheets. Well, we'll write it in the description. Okay, so you're going to get your cardstock to make the album. You're going to get all the paper to mat and layer, all the paper pad to decorate. You're also going to get the glue that you need. This is called our magic glue, and it is absolutely brilliant, and that's how all of this has been put together. So, and then on top of that you will get all your embellishments, i.e. some buttons, some magnets, some metal embellishments, some gems, all the ribbon you need. So that's all included. So you get all of that in your pack. So please do go and have a look. And if you want to do this, plus all the content, I believe it's £25, just under £25. So it's a really nice project to do. So it's a really nice way to do it. So I just wanted to show you exactly what you would be getting. I mean, when we get a bit more advanced, we can start to do more things like this, and show you how to make all of these sort of things. But I just wanted to share with you the actual album. And this is our basic A5 quad foundation album. So this could be used for anybody who's a beginner, but also those who are advanced, because they can use this as a part of their larger album making. So I want to say a big thank you. I hope you can join Pip and I for the new start of our journal stroke album stroke planner classes, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye for now.